I'm Lindy Hughson from Food and Drink Business. I'm at FoodPro and I'm on the Flexopack stand. I'm talking to Stewart. Steve, for those who may not know much about Flexopack, tell us a bit about the business.
Well, Flexopack's been around for a very long time. It's a Greek company, started in 1979. But more importantly, it's been in the Australian market for over 30 years now. It started off distribution, but now they've invested heavily in local manufacture, local jobs for Australians, and we've doubled our capacity from a print and conversion perspective. So we're geared to grow and support the local Australian market.
And tell me about the sourcing of materials, the R&D side of things.
Yeah, so Flexopack is really centered around R&D. It's the core of their business. That's how they started the business. They design bespoke films for the meat and dairy industries, and they're often designing materials specific to a customer need. So R&D is centered to what our business does. We don't just buy materials off the shelf and resell. We design materials for our specific customers.
And where does that R&D take place?
So it happens in Greece, and we manage the whole value chain. So our business buys raw material, and then from an R&D perspective, we design the product, we extrude the material, and then we convert and print the material in Australia.
And the thing I really want to know about is the Australian manufacturing facility, which is just up and running now.
Yeah, so it was completed last year, 6,000 square meter facility, bespoke design for our market. We've doubled our capacity, and we geared to grow now in the local market. So, yep.
And if I was to describe what you supply?
So we do shrink bags, we do lidding films, we do vacuum skin films, and a range of other barrier products for the meat and dairy industry.
And what are you hoping for from FoodPro?
Well, as I said, we've set up this great facility in Australia. We're geared to grow, and we're looking to get new customers on board.
And what about technical support?
Yeah, being a local manufacturer, we've got a team here that looks after our customers. So we have applications experts who go out to site and ensure the material runs on their equipment. We also have a local customer service team and a local artwork team that support customers with their design. So we're really doubling down on being a local manufacturer, local support both technically and through our sales team.
Well, it's a fabulous display here on the Flexopack stand. So if you're down at FoodPro, come along and speak to Steve or his colleagues all about Flexopack and what they can offer.